What's up? Welcome back sa ating vlog. Yeah, it's been a rough month for us, but let's keep fighting and continue dreaming, right? So guys, I have like problems on my cell phone. So like sa captions na nakalagay dyan is an unboxing to do. Because yung last week kasi nag-green screen na yung cellphone ko. So yun nga, nag-green screen na yung cellphone ko tapos bigla na siyang nawawala. So and this one is not in my plan. Just go to the shop, like namahan ko yung kasama ko tapos bumili ng perfume tapos nakita namin tong shop tapos pinuntahan namin. Then we try kasi yun nga about credit score, so we need to build a good credit score first to get something good. But yeah, so before we start, I just wanna shout out sa O2. Thank you O2 for making this video happen, and gusto ko talaga tong phone na to. So been like dreaming this phone, new gen, few months na, but I don't have sufficient budget. Thank you O2. So if you want to have a good phone like iPhone, Samsung, and different varieties of phone, just visit their shop and they offer everything. Just you need to have like passport or driver's license here in UK and bank card. So yun lang, dalan nyo lang dun, tapos pakita nyo sa kanya, and then they will try to approve you. And yeah, so thank you O2. So let's not wait any longer. So it's Samsung Galaxy S23, the new flagship of Samsung. So this is not a sponsor, but hopefully Samsung can see this, hear me. So they have three varieties like Samsung S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra, but I prefer the Plus than the Ultra cause yun nga, hindi masyadong malaki yung kamay ko, and then it's so bulky, so hirapan akong maglagay sa bulsa or ano. So yung Plus sakto lang, hindi masyadong malaki, hindi masyadong maliit, and just for like for vlogs na kailangan ng cellphone at hindi camera, na hindi yung gimbal. So let's open this one and then have some personal reviews, personal reference sa phone, anong goods and bad. So in my own opinion lang. So hopefully guys you like this video, and please do subscribe, like, share the button, and then don't forget to tell your friends. And sa some videos I will make some content also for gaming content. Yeah, it's like vlog, gaming, adventures. So ito na yung mga possible content ko sa vlog ko. So some reviews din sa mga stuff na mga nabili ko. So please do like and subscribe. So let's unbox this. So this is it guys, the Samsung S23 Plus. This is like a new release from Samsung. So I just unboxed it, and this is what it looks like already. Glass screen protector on it, and then a screen case for in case of emergency if it falls. And then yeah, it's so very handy. Plus is just right for my hands, and you don't really need to press the lock button. You just have two taps here, see, and then another two taps, and yeah, then the camera is good, the video is good, and everything. So if you want to have new Samsung S23 Plus, just go to O2 and bring your passport and then your bank account, and they will evaluate you if you can have a deposit or you just get the phone with 30 pounds money, give them. And then yeah, maybe soon I will make a review for this one, but yeah, for now let's just unbox it, and I will just enjoy this until S24 arrives. But Samsung will be like 5 years advanced for the battery and the for his the processor. So maybe after 3 years I will have a new one. But the good thing about O2 is they have like a switch. So if for just four pounds, you need just add 4 pounds for it, and then they gave you like if there's a new one, you just give your phone, and then they give you the new update, new release for just 4 pounds. And then if the phone is within the good condition, so that's why I put screen protector and case for it in case of I drop it. So just put it, give it to them, and they give you a new one, and for the insurance also. So yeah, O2, thank you so much for giving me this chance to have the new Samsung S23 Plus. Visit O2 guys, and thank you for making this video happen. So see you in my next vlog, and have a nice day. I will enjoy this S23 Plus. Bye.